My name is Daniel Law, and this is InstaData, a virtual data analyst that makes data analysis easy for everyone. Now, here's the problem. Gen Z faces more structured data than ever before, yet over 60% of the students at my school have never learned data analysis, and those numbers are only worse nationally. With generative AI, we're making interactive data analysis fast and accessible with InstaData. Data literacy isn't just for STEM, it's key for all future careers and informed civic engagement in a world shaped by data. So this is what the user interface looks like after the user logs in. First, they'll upload their data, which they'll get an exploratory analysis on. Then 5 LLM agents will deal with the data. First one will generate metadata, the second will suggest questions, the third will generate Python code, the fourth will plot charts with the data, and the fifth will generate a business analysis on the data. So now let's actually look at the user interface. We can see the welcome screen here with the login interface. I already signed up, so let's just log right in. Login successful. Let's actually browse our files and drop a CSV file in. And let's go to the Explore tab while it is being analyzed. We can see the first 10 rows here. We can see some column descriptions here. And we can also see some unique and frequent values here. And this is the code that generated all of it. So now we can take a look at the data dictionary. And here we see some metadata where all of the column names are being defined. And there's a little note on the bottom too. Now we see some questions that were created, so let's actually ask one. How does type of transmission correlate with fuel efficiency and user preference? So we see the code that actually allows for the analyzation of all of the data. And we can see the result where all of the table is combined together. And then we see some charts. So here we can see some nice bar plots, and we can see a little bit of a scatter plot here as well. And also you can interact directly with them. You can zoom in and double click to zoom out. Here we also get a business analysis where we get the bottom line, additional insights, and also follow-up questions to gain more depth. And this can all be downloaded in different formats. So here we can see the code where we first see all of the imported packages in the main module of this code. And also this is done in PyCharm. And here we can see all of the functions that actually are responsible for creating all of the features in the app. And additionally, we did use Streamlit as the front end and the user interface for the app. And here you can also see all of the LLM references. In this account.py module, this is where the login page and sign up page is actually created. So ultimately, through InstaData, we're building a future of informed and responsible civic engagement, providing students with an ever-growing skill set in data literacy that powers the growing number of careers in data science and providing a free, accessible tool for everyone and anyone to explore and understand data.